Hello little friends, gather close right now. Bluey's day begins with bright wonder. The meadow glitters under golden sunshine, butterflies swirl, grass sways like waves. Suddenly, boom, boom, heavy steps, the earth trembles with rumbling power. Bluey gasps, tail tucks down tight, a giant shadow covers the ground. From the trees lumbers a huge elephant, ears flap wide like flying sails. Bluey freezes, her heart races wildly, the sound thunders louder and louder. What could happen next, little friends? Like this video and subscribe. The elephant snorts, trunk swinging high, dust whirls in swirling circles around. Bluey crouches low, paws shaking hard, her eyes shine with frightened wonder. The ground booms, grass bends low, every step feels like a drumbeat. But then, a funny sneeze erupts, achoo, the elephant wiggles his ears. Bluey blinks, fear fades to surprise, the sneeze sounds silly, almost playful. She tilts her head, curiosity rising, could this giant be friendly too? The elephant wiggles, trunk bouncing silly, he plops down like a bouncy ball. Bluey giggles, paws covering her face, fear melts into bright shining laughter. She hops forward, tail wagging fast, the air sparkles with brand new fun. Together they chase butterflies in circles, wind dances, clouds drift above happily. The elephant rolls on soft grass, boom, boom, like a gentle drum. Bluey hops on his giant back, the view stretches across the meadow. They twirl, dance, spin with delight, birds scatter, sky fills with wonder. What a silly, joyful adventure, can you imagine playing like that? The sun dips, painting sky orange, shadows stretch, stars peek out early. Bluey yawns, cuddling beside elephant, warmth glows, night feels soft. No more fear, only sparkling trust, little pup and giant elephant shine. Dreams swirl with magic and laughter, forever friends beneath the twinkling stars. The end.